For this activity, our group created two distinct wallpapers based and inspired by one central theme, the logo of the Council of Tourism and Hospitality Management, or CTHM of National University. Both wallpapers prominently use the official school colors, gold and blue, to emphasize identity, unity, and pride. Although both wallpapers came from one theme, we explored two different pattern rules. The PM pattern for the first wallpaper and then the CM pattern for the second wallpaper. These allow us to demonstrate and how a singular theme can give rise to multiple creative expressions, utilizing different patterns rules to show visual impact.
For our first wallpaper, we use the PM pattern, which combines translation and reflection. The repeating shapes resemble the petal-like and the leaf golden motif, which connects to the CTHM logo subtile ways. The rounded shapes echo the curves of the spoon and fork, representing the hospitality service. The open floral forms symbolize tourism, growth, and welcoming cultures. The consistent gold outline reflects the prestigious and refined identity of the National University. In the PM pattern, each motif is repeated in rows, and each rose is the mirror image of the next. The result of the wallpaper that feels elegant, symmetric, and ceremonial, representing the discipline and professionalism of the CTHM.
For the second wallpaper, we choose a CM pattern to introduce a more interconnected design, symbolizing the interconnected nature of tourism and hospitality service. The shape here looks more geometric and structured, with sharp angles that resemble the globe's grid from the logo, representing global connectivity. The lines of roads, maps, and pathways symbolizing travel and navigation in tourism. The symmetrical stroke that echo the organized system in hospitality management. The CM patterns create a sense of movement because the reflection shift diagonally rather than horizontally or vertically. This gives the wallpaper a more dynamic and modern energy.
Choosing a pattern rule shapes not only the appearance, but also the mood, the message of the design. The PM pattern created a wallpaper that feels calm, classic, and harmonious. It reflects hospitality's focus on balance, comfort, and service flow. The CM pattern, on the other hand, introduces movement and modern geometry.
This shows that rules do not limit our creativity, they guide it. By following the pattern system, our creativity more becomes intentional, helping us to express deeper meaning rather than the random decoration. In designs, creativity and structures always work together. Creativity allows us to transform the boundaries into something visual and meaningful.
Through this project, we learned that great design is not just about repeating shapes, it is about understanding how patterns can communicate the identity, values, and the story of a concept like CTHM.